In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on meeting reminders by default in HubSpot. So every time someone books a meeting with you, they automatically receive a reminder email before it starts. This is a simple setting, but it can dramatically reduce no-shows and help you stay organized without manually sending follow-ups. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips and tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top navigation menu. You'll want to go to Sales and then click on Meeting Scheduler. This is where all of your meeting links are stored. These are the links you send to prospects, clients, or team members so they can book time with you. After you click on Meeting Scheduler, you'll see a list of your existing meeting links. These might include one-on-one meeting links, group meetings, or round-robin scheduling links depending on how your account is set up. Now choose the specific meeting link where you want to enable reminders by default. Hover your mouse over the meeting link you want to update. You'll see an Edit option appear. Go ahead and click Edit. This will open up the full configuration settings for that specific meeting link. Once you're inside the meeting editor, look for the Automation section. Depending on your screen size, you may see it in a side panel or as a tab within the meeting settings. Click into Automation to access the reminder and follow-up options. Inside the Automation section, you'll see an option for a pre-meeting reminder. This is the setting that controls whether attendees receive an email reminder before the meeting begins. Go ahead and enable the pre-meeting reminder option. When this is turned on, HubSpot will automatically send an email reminder to attendees before the scheduled meeting time. You may also have options to customize when the reminder is sent, such as a certain number of hours or days before the meeting. Adjust this timing based on your preference. For most users, sending a reminder 24 hours before, and sometimes an additional reminder 1 hour before, works very well to reduce missed meetings. After enabling the pre-meeting reminder and adjusting any timing settings, make sure to save your changes. This step is very important. If you navigate away without saving, your reminder settings will not be applied. Now, from this point forward, anyone who books a meeting using this specific meeting link will automatically receive a reminder email before the meeting starts. This helps improve attendance, keeps your schedule running smoothly, and ensures your contacts don't forget about their appointment. If you use multiple meeting links, you'll need to repeat this process for each one where you want reminders turned on by default. It only takes a few seconds per link, and it's well worth setting up properly. And that's it. That's exactly how to turn on meeting reminders by default in HubSpot using the Meeting Scheduler. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.